Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Vistas at Runaway Bay, a two-bedroom, two-bathroom home nestled in the refreshing hills of St. Anne, Jamaica's fastest-growing North Coast parish. Perfectly suited for professional families, returning residents, or anyone seeking a piece of the rock to call their own. This development offers modern conveniences and a welcoming community. Residents can enjoy first-class amenities, including a gym, clubhouse, swimming pool, and jogging trail. With the beach just minutes away, along with easy access to recreational activities, schools, churches, and employment opportunities, the Vistas at Runaway Bay is the ideal place to live, invest, and thrive. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $47,922,000. To view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Subscribe if you want more video like this. Thank you.